Hey guys, what's up? Ran here, and now I will show you how to buy Playpark load using your Gcash. So first things first, you have to go to your Gcash app, then open your Gcash, then type your PIN. Then the next is click or touch this, open this three dot or show more there. Then next is you have to look for lifestyle and shopping. Then look for game credits. After game credits, you have to type your number. So the next, then hit next. Then you have to look for Playpark. And after Playpark, so you can now load any denomination you want. For example, you want to load 100 Playpark credits. Then you have to choose a Playpark 100 credits. Then hit next. And you have to pay 100 pesos for the 100 load. So after you pay 100 pesos load, then that's it. You will now receive the card number and the password. Simple as that, guys. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.